Magandang hapon Pilipinas at buong mundo. Naitay Kapuso, pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy and welcome to Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Sa lahat ng kasama ho natin sa Facebook at YouTube, maraming salamat. At sa lahat ng nakikinig po sa DZWB, welcome to the program. Ang ating bisita po ngayon hapon ay at one point naging revolutionary. Tapos naging sundalong Hapon. Ngayon naman po siya ay isang dekano. Sa isang pelikula na ang pamagat ay Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. Siya kaya ay makasalanan. Alamin ho natin. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome David Licauco.
Thank you, boy. I love your outfit, ha?
Pakabagets.
Oo, okay.
Maraming salamat, David.
Thank you for having me.
Kumusta ka?
I'm happy.
That's good.
How are you?
I'm happy. I'm happy too. Why do you say you're happy?
I think it's on the mindset. Diba? Like, the way I see things now, I always try to see the good in everything. Like, for example, before, kapag ako'y busy, kapag marami akong ginagawa, I tend to magreklamo ako. I would complain about, shucks, I'm tired, parang I want to rest, di ba? But now, the way I see things, I think it's more of like...
Pero, fascinating and intriguing, itong pelikulang ginagawa, itong pelikula ninyo.
Yeah,
Okay.
Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan.
Di ba? Samahan ng Mga Kasalanan. The first time it was offered to you na you were going to play a deacon,
Yeah.
in a film called Samahan ng Mga Kasalanan, ano yung reaksyon na una?
I asked myself if kaya ko ba to? Kasi syempre, first time kong maging priest, obviously. I mean, yun naman yung beauty ng trabaho natin, di ba?
Ano ba yung Samahan ng Mga Kasalanan? Is this an organization in Santo Cristo? Ano ito?
So I come from dun sa seminaryo nga. And then I was assigned to go to the city na may mga makasalanan. So from mga nagnanakaw to like mga nagpo-prostitute, mga nagsusugal, di ba? And then I had to go there to share the gospel of God and hopefully mabago ko sila. Kumbaga, mapakita ko sa kanila na, pwede pa pala kayong magbago, na hindi ito yung end of the world para sa inyong lahat. And tinulungan ko silang maghanap ng mga iba-ibang trabaho.
Sa totoong buhay, kung meron kang isang kasalanan, ano yun?
So, kasalanan. Nalilate. Nalilate siguro.
Oo.
Yeah, pero now kasi, I would say na I'm very much self-aware with everything that I do. So feeling ko hindi na ako ganun ka-reckless. Parang I always have to think twice kung ano yung kailangan kong gawin. Para instead of like living mindlessly, I try my best to parang, okay, to think muna bago ko to gawin. So I would say na hindi na ako as makasalanan siguro as when I was younger.
Paano ba ang titig? Paano ba ang expression ng
Hindi
isang
konsam?
makasalanan? How would you do it?
Siguro pag makasalanan ka, nag-overthink ka eh. 'Di ba? Na ano kaya, baka mahuli ako. So siguro parang tumitingin kang ganun.
That's interesting.
Para mag-stutter ka kapag nagsasalita ka kasi hindi ka sigurado eh. Baka
Yeah.
ganun.
Gusto ko yung point na nag-overthink ka kasi ayaw mo magkamali.
Yeah.
And in the process, nagkakamali ka kasi you overthink.
Yeah.
Yung nang-aakit.
Nang akin. Iba yun. Siguro, titingin ka lang ganun. Tapos gaganon ka. I'm so awkward when it comes to these things. I'm so awkward.
No.
Yeah.
That's part of being
Being an actor.
Yeah, right. Namumula ka eh. Nung isang linggo naging bisita namin dito si Sanya. Sanya Lopez po plays Mila. Siya po ang, kung tama ho ako, ang kanyang titulo dito sa pelikula ay parang Kabit ng Bayan.
Yeah.
But you have to find out why. Kasi may kwento ho dito kung bakit siya tinawag na ganito. At syempre, may journey din siya ng kanyang sariling pagbabago.
Exactly.
Pero ang napag-usapan namin ni Sanya, it was interesting kasi hindi niya naisip, correct me if I'm wrong ha, RD, parang hindi niya naisip na andyan pa rin talaga ang rabid Barda fans.
Oh, yeah?
You know, and there are even people who, not of course the Barda fans, but who call her love team Slayer. Oo.
Yeah.
Did you talk about it? Or did you and Barbie, for example, talk about it? Na napaka-solid talaga ng Barda fans. No?
Well, the great thing about Sanya, hindi niya, parang medyo wala siyang pakialam when it comes to those things. Like, she knows na, okay, this is part of the job. Like, I am partnered up with a person who has a love team. Then it's okay. I mean, feelings nila yun. Di ba? At yun yung maganda kay Sanya, na parang hindi naman siya affected talaga. I actually asked her if, parang, how do you feel about it? Ganyan. Sabi, no, it's okay, wala yun. Yan. Tapos sabi ko, I said sorry. Sabi ko, sorry if like, baka may mga nag-bash sa'yo because of us, because of me, dahil partner tayo dito, gano'n. And she was really cool about it. And wala, tinawanan lang namin.
Pero ang ganito, kasi napapag-usapan.
Yeah.
You have to talk about these things.
Yeah.
What about you and Barbie? Nag-usap kayo?
About,
I mean, about you doing, for example, a film like this, and then the fans participating are as engaged as they are always when you do
Yeah.
projects together. You didn't talk about this.
we did talk about it. I remember we were shooting Pulang Araw, and we had a scene together. And that was the day na...
Kayo ni Barbie?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that was the day na I accepted the role. So sabi ko sa sarili ko, paano ako kaya sasabihin kay Barbie na, uy, meron nga pala akong movie tapos hindi ka kasama. Di ba? So sinabi ko sa kanya, Barbie, meron nga pala kami movie ni isa niya. Yun lang. And she was like, oh, wow. Wow, it's nice. So proud of you. Ganon. Like, she's super supportive when it comes to these things. Because, of course, as actors, you wanna grow outside of the love team and also grow inside the love team. So, I mean, Barbie is super supportive about it.
Not, ang masarap doon, merong mga conversations na gano'n. May
Yeah.
pagiging pagkaibigan. There's a friendship that allows you to actually talk about these things.
Yeah, it's all about communication.
Correct.
Diba?
Oo. Holy Wednesday ngayon. And then you're doing a film titled Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan. Hindi pwedeng hindi mo daanan ang mga salita katulad ng tukso, temptation.
Yeah.
How do you handle?
Temptations.
Yeah.
Well, for me, I just try my best to stay away from it.
There are aggressive women who would, ika nga, make the moves.
Yeah, meron, definitely.
Oo. Paano yun?
Syempre kung may ka-relationship ka, iiwas ka. Di ba? Like,
Okay.
hindi ka magpapatempt. No? Okay, sorry, I'm taken. Something like that. So yeah, I mean, ako naman, I never cheated, to be honest.
Pero depende rin siguro sa state ng relasyon. Because that's also depriving yourself from getting to know other people, friends, for example.
Yeah.
Potential friends. You know,
Yeah.
you're missing out on, for example, nakilala mo ito, not as a potential girlfriend,
Yeah.
kahit medyo...
Friends lang, yeah.
Di ba, may pagka-aggressive, pero you could have turned out to be good friends. It's really a balance, no?
Yeah. I mean, you would know naman the intention from the get-go, di ba?
You're very sensitive now to not just your own feelings, but, you know, karelasyon or ibang tao. Let's do fast talk. Okay. David,
Yeah.
makasalanan, mayaman.
Mayaman.
Manunukso, magpapatukso.
Manunukso.
Magmamahal, mamahalin.
Mamahalin.
Maginoo, medyo bastos.
Bagino.
Matinik, maharot.
Matinik.
Malambot, matigas.
Matigas.
Matamis, maanghang.
Matamis.
Kulang sa kain o kulang sa tulog.
Kulang sa kain.
Yakap, halik.
Yakap.
Binibaby mo, binibaby ka.
Binibaby ako.
Love song ng buhay mo.
Love song ng buhay ko. Oh my God. Top of mind would be Iris, Just Love the Song.
Sign that you are in love.
Sign that you're in love? When you're just happy with everything, I guess.
Bahagi ng katawan na gusto mong minamasahe.
Ulo.
Bahagi ng katawan na gusto mong hinahawakan.
bahagi ng katawan na gusto mo kamay.
Pinaka-pogi ka kapag
Kapag ako ay nakikipag-date.
pinakamabait ka kapag
Kapag nagawa ko lahat ng kailangan kong gawin.
kinikilig ka kapag
Nakikita mo yung type mo.
galante ka kapag
So, bye.
kuripot ka kapag
Sa kaibigan.
oo, hindi, depende. Umami ng kasalanan.
Oo.
Oo, hindi depende. Isumbong ang may kasalanan.
Oo.
Oo, hindi depende. Maghubot-hubad sa pelikula.
Hindi.
Oo, hindi depende. Magka-girlfriend this year.
Depende.
Oo, hindi depende. Manligaw kay Barbie.
Depende.
Lights on, lights off.
Lights on.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness.
Daytime.
Gagawa ka ng isang samahan. Ano ito?
Samahan ng nagmamahalan.
We started this interview.
Yeah.
I asked you, how are you? At sabi mo, happy.
Yeah, happy.
Sa Fast Talk, tinanong kita kung ano ang senyales kung in love ka. Sabi mo, pag-happiness, pag-happy ka. So ang tanong, yes or no, are you in a relationship? Are you in love right now? Ang kasagutan. Sa pagbabalik po ng Fast Talk with Boy at Rizal. We're back on the show. Kasama mo natin si David Licraco. Okay, let's go to the happiness. Diba? You said you're happy, and then ang sign pag in love ka is that if there's happiness around, if you're happy. So are you in love?
In love with my job. In love with life in general. Parang I think mas accepted ko na lahat ng mga nangyayari sa buhay ko. It's more of that. And syempre, naging single ako since September, so I've been really working on myself. Been all for self-improvement. Every day, I try my best. So, yeah, I'm generally happy and mas nakita ko yung mas appreciate ko lahat ng bagay.
7 months single, going 8.
Oh, tagal na pala.
Tagal na pala.
Tagal na pala,
Is this one of the longest times na single ka?
I think so.
Ito.
Yeah.
Oo.
Yeah.
So, kumusta yun?
I have been enjoying it.
No, hindi mo nga napansin eh. So, you must have been
oo.
enjoying it.
Kasi I'm really focused on, self-improvement. Kasi feeling ko marami akong insecurities and one of those would be communication skills before.
Not
Na-
anymore, David.
Yeah, lately,
Oo.
I feel it and I'm really proud of myself because I've been working really hard for it. Like every day I would really watch podcasts and then lalagay ko siya sa notes, babasahin ko every day.
Kanina sa Fast Talk, tinanong kita tungkol sa the possibility. Oo, hindi, depende. Kung maging girlfriend mo si Barbie, why did you say depende?
I mean, who knows, di ba?
Totoo.
Whatever happens, happens. If it happens, it happens. Di ba? But at this point, like, not really... I'm just going with the flow. Yeah.
Gaano kayo ka-close, David? Ni
Really
Barbie?
close.
Constantly talking to each other? Do you check on each other as friends?
Yeah,
Ano yung
yeah.
closeness? Describe that.
Minsan, magkakamustahan kami via text,
Uh-huh.
ganyan. Kakamusta lang, ganun. Parang, what's happening na? Kamusta siya? Kamusta yung movie na ginagawa niya? Yun na naman, it's more of that, like, good luck. And whenever we're together, like shooting mga commercials, lately kasi wala naman kaming teleserye Tito Boy, so it's more of the endorsements that we're doing. Yeah, we talk about everything.
And nothing.
Yeah, and nothing. Just,
Nagpahiwatig ka that you were single almost during the time when they announced that they had broken up. I'm talking about Barbie and Jack. And inevitably, hindi na iwasan na si David kaya ang cause ng paghihiwalay ni Jack at saka ni Barbie. You're aware of this, no?
yeah, definitely.
Did you and Barbie talk about it? And what is your stand? I mean, what do you want to say about it?
Well, one thing's for sure, directly, I did not I'm not part of their breakup.
You're not part of that story.
Yeah, like, before Barbie and I never really text. especially nung sila. Of course, now, paminsan, magkakamustahan lang kayo, di ba? Pero before, we never texted talaga. Swear to God. So, pretty much, hindi talaga ako parte nun.
No, the point is, ang sinasabi mo, correct me if I'm wrong,
Yeah.
wala kang kinalaman,
Ano akong kinalaman?
wala kang kinalaman sa paghihiwalay, I mean, sadly, ni Barbie at saka ni Jack. Looking forward to your next relationship?
I'm not rushing into it.
You're not rushing.
I'm not rushing.
But, you know, di ba bawat isa sa atin, I mean, do you have that excitement sometimes?
You miss it.
You do, di ba?
Yeah. I do miss it. Siyempre, gusto mo may kayakap ka or like
Right.
sabihan mo ng problema mo,
Ay kausap.
may kausap ka on a daily basis. So,
How old are you now?
30.
Do you have that thing that by this age, I should get married?
I used to have that.
Ano yung sinasabi mo dati?
Gusto ko 34, 33.
Have you changed your mind?
Yeah, I think now it's more of like go with the flow na lang talaga. But then, of course,
It can happen earlier.
yeah, I mean, whatever happens, happens. But then, sometimes, may isip mo rin na, gusto mo rin na, kunwari yung mga anak mo,
Oo.
teenager na, gusto mong makapag-basketball pa with them, o kung ano man yung sports nila, di ba? I mean, syempre, sumasagi pa rin sa utak mo. But then, what can I do? Di ba? If wala, wala. If meron, meron. Di ba? So,
Oo. But if you have your way, sabi mo nga, ride the tide.
yeah,
If it's
definitely.
this year, next year, you're ready to get married. I mean, ready meaning, yun nga, yung pinag-uusapan natin, holistically, financially, emotionally, intellectually, you are ready for marriage.
Emotionally, I think I'm ready. Financially, I think I'm ready. Physically, I think I'm ready. Career-wise, I'm not yet ready. Because
You're not?
I'm not yet ready.
Oh,
Career-wise.
but that's 3-1.
Yeah. Yeah, but I mean, one thing is to be ready and one thing is to be really committed to actually doing it.
Oo, pero katulad nga ng sabi mo, David, kung ano ang mangyayari, mangyayari.
Yeah.
Pero unahin muna natin po ang samahan ng mga makasalanan. Imbitahan mo ang lahat para tangkilikin at samahan tayo sa pelikulang ito.
Hello. Sana po ay panoorin niyo ang Samahan ng Mga Makasalanan this coming April 19. I'm pretty sure na ma-enjoy niyo po ito. Isama niyo ang inyong mga pamilya, kaibigan, jowa. Siguro mag-iisip kayo na, ay, mahal sa sinehan. Pero sa totoo lang, mas maganda po manood sa sinehan para po maramdaman natin yung total experience ng pagpupunta sa sinehan at manood ng pelikula doon. Iba yun di ba? May kayakap kang ganyan. Cute ni David, oh. Oh, yeah.
Okay, but yeah, good luck on
Thank you,
the
thank you.
movie. Thank you for sharing that story with us. Oo, gusto ko sana makipagmodelo sa iyo, pero
Parang yan yung suot ko, ah.
oo nga eh. Ito yung pinasuot sa iyo. Maraming salamat, David.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat. And God bless you. God bless you.
Wow.
Maraming salamat, David. At maraming salamat po sa inyong pagpapatuloy sa amin, sa inyong mga tahanan araw-araw. Be kind. Magnilay-nilay po tayo ngayong Semana Santa. This is the best time for us to reflect. Ika nga, nasaan tayo? Ano ang mga nagawa na natin, hindi pa nagagawa. But I think this is a time for us to ask the very important question. Sino ako and what good have I done? I want to go into that premise. What good have I done for the world? For the other, for myself, sa aking kapwa-tao. So, God bless us all. We'll see you again. And take good care of yourselves. Goodbye for now. And God bless.